The weekend is here. It's time to make money. It's time to make millions and millions. Guys, how are we going to make millions today? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Unique. On this channel, we do talk about how to create new ideas, also transforming the business. I think today the weekend will transform your business and you're going to make millions. Um, the business is well run on weekend. If you have observed this, and I'm telling you, you don't have time to rest on weekends, because on these days you're going to make money. On these days your business is going to improve. Sometimes we don't know the impact of having weekends, but it is so important to our businesses, because on weekend this is where people spend carelessly. Now, how are you going to make millions on weekend? This is what you're going to do for you to make those millions. Listen, buy most consumable, most trending goods and put them in your grocery, put them in your bar, put them whatsoever you do sell. Do not buy unconsumable goods. You understand? There are goods which these people they do buy. For example, me, I do grocery business, and there are goods like sugar, peanut butter, salt, a lot of them. I can mention them here, but this is just an example. So these people they do buy these kinds of good on weekends, because this is where now they sit down with their family, budget, and know on where they're going to spend. But if these goods they're not there, I'm not going to make money. If they are not there, then which means I'm just wasting my time. It's better I don't even have to go there. But if I want to go there, this is what I need to do each and every day. You need to look at yourself, more especially weekends, because these people when they come, they always want to spend on something which they know. You see? So when you bring consumable goods to them, it is very important to them, and they will make sure that they are going to buy. They are going to buy carelessly, and you are going to enjoy, such that your business will be well run that day. If you're not going to buy the most consumable goods, then this video will be useless to you. It will be useless, but only for those people who are going to understand what are most consumable goods, or those guys who are into taverns, who are into bottle stores. These guys they need to buy those kind of alcohol which people they really depends on, and which people they really use on weekends, because some people these are the only days which they have for them to rest, and whenever they are resting, they need to take some alcohol. Now, what kind of alcohol? You should know as a seller to say, okay, on weekends my people they do take this. If I'm not going to have these kinds of alcohol at my place, then these people they won't buy anything, and I will not have millions. You're going to make millions by providing to them the most consumable goods, or the most consumable products which these people they really like. If you just understand them, you understand what they need, it is very easy to make those millions. Very easy if you just understand. So the most important thing is understanding what kinds of products, what kinds of goods which you're going to sell to those people and make millions out of them. Because sometimes you may think that it is unnecessary, but this is necessary to them, and for you also for your business, because you're going to receive some huge sum of money on the same day. And if you receive some huge sum of money on the same day, then which means that you improve your business on that day and the days to come. You see? So don't rest. Don't rest on weekends. Go outside there, make millions. Go outside there, sell your products to them. Go outside there and ask them what they want. And they're going to tell you what they want. And make sure you buy what they want. Hmm? And you're going to be best friends in the business because you're providing things which they really like. Hmm? So these are the secrets whenever you are dealing with a business. These are the only secrets that you can make millions out of them, because them they are not going to know that this is what is happening. They're going to use carelessly like no man's business. Their money has got no use to them on weekends, but from their money, that's where we get uh, our money too. And from their money, that will improve our business and be successful in life from their pockets. So don't rest. Don't rest. Go outside there. Make some uh good business. If you just make some good business, you're going to tell me, you're going to tell me, making millions is so simple, because you're going to understand that this is what they want, this is what they need. But if you're not going to understand them, then nothing will happen to you. Nothing will happen to your business. Nothing will happen to you, and you'll be just on the same level each and every day, each and every weekend. But you need to change on how you react on weekends. If you were resting, then stop resting on weekends and make money out of those weekends. So this is so important. This is so important. When I